Hello, this is Mr. Abear inside a room in the otherwise very noisy New Technology High School, and I am here to tell you about doing equations with a spreadsheet. So here I am using my Excel spreadsheet, and I have two equations I want to show you how to model. This one's simple, y is equal to 5x. So first, let's establish a cell that is equal to x. X is going to be whatever's in this cell, and right now I'll put 3 in it. Okay, so now y is equal to 5 times x. And the way to do that in Excel is to enter what's called a formula. I say Excel, but this is also true with Google Spreadsheet or really any spreadsheet program. And the way the formula works is you always start by typing equals. That lets the spreadsheet know that you mean to do a formula. Equals 5, because we're multiplying 5 times whatever x is. And now I'm going to use this Shift 8 to produce the asterisk character. Excel recognizes that as a multiply symbol. So 5 times, and what I'm going to do is click in this cell that I said represents x. And then instead of saying 5 times 3, it's going to say 5 times A5, because my cell is in column A, row 5. That's cell A5. So this cell, the value of y, is going to be equal to whatever 5 times this cell is. And when I press return, you will see not a formula, but the number 15, because 5 times 3 is 15. Like so. Now, if you click on this cell, you see 15, but in the formula bar, you see the original formula, equals 5 times A5. And that means if I change the value of x, for instance, to 7, once I press return, this number is going to recalculate. It's going to decide that it equals 5 times 7 instead of 5 times 3. And when I press return, you'll see the number 35. There it is. All right. Now this other formula I wanted to show you is for calculating somebody's paycheck. So it's $9 times A, the value of the transportation rate. It's $15 times B, the number of hours worked at the regular rate, and $22.50 times C, the number of hours worked overtime. So first let me set up a place for A and B and C. Now this person is going to be paid for 1 hour of A, transportation, and 7 more hours of regular time plus 2 hours of overtime. All right, so if I want to calculate this person's money, I need to go ahead and write a formula here. All right, and it's going to copy this equation as nearly as possible. So whenever I write a formula in a spreadsheet, I start with equals. All right, it equals 9 times whatever's in this cell plus 15 times whatever's in this cell plus 22.5 times whatever's in this cell. And you can see that this is analogous. 9 times A plus 15 times B plus 22.50 times C is the same thing as 9 times this cell plus 15 times this cell plus 22.5 times this cell. Let's see how much money this person made on this day. Looks like $159. If I really wanted to say $159, I can click again on this cell, and I can go to the format area. Format cells. No, that's not it. Here we go, number. I can go to the number formatting, and instead of general, I can choose currency. And now it looks like $159. All right, so that's a basic overview of how you use a spreadsheet to simulate equations like you would write in algebra. Thanks.